Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. This is a day of celebration for everyone since Shamsi is back, and we are all very happy that she won. I am back here again with two of the most beautiful Filipinas, Janine Tugonon and our bet to the upcoming Miss International, Diane Neso. Good afternoon, girls.
Good afternoon.
All right. Diane first. Of course, your competition is in a month or so. What do you think about ano yung mga natutunan mo sa laban ni Shamsi? Yun.
Ayun, for me, yung natutunan ko kay Shamsi is to be disciplined and yun, talagang focus ka dun sa gusto mo and just to enjoy the experience and yun, try your best and to represent the country, yun lang.
Okay, si Janine naman, of course, a lot of people are saying na next year medyo pressured kasi we have to keep up with the trend na napakalakasan ng Philippines. Do you have plans of joining again?
Ang daming natanong nito sa akin. Honestly talaga, sorry, ayoko na. For now talaga, I can say na ayoko na talaga. Pero, syempre, iba pag si God ang nagplano ng buhay mo eh. So, I don't know what God has planned for me. Pero for now talaga, honestly, seryoso, ayoko na.
Okay, sige. Diane, what do you think about the performance of Shamsi? Are you happy also with the placement that she got?
Sa placement niya, syempre happy kasi for me it's a great achievement. Pero lahat kami iniisip talagang winner siya. So, yun. Pero yung performance niya talagang perfect. Talagang wala kang masasabi sa kanyang hindi niya nagawa or kulang niya. Talagang perfect lahat. Yung performance niya, winner na winner.
Okay, winner. Finally, girls, your message for Shamsi. Alam ko that after a few days, pag nakapahinga siya, makakanood na siya ng mga videos and all that. Janine, let's start with you.
Shamsi, actually nalulungkot ako kasi hindi ko siya nakasama kanina. Doon pala sila sa office. So, Shamsi, I'm very, very happy for you and I'm so proud of you. Sana magkasama tayo one of these days. Alam ko super busy mo. So, please make time. Tara, labas tayo. Ayun, don't change, stay humble, keep your feet on the ground and bigay ito ni God para sa'yo. So, I'm happy for you.
Okay, what about you, Diane?
I can see that Shamsi is very happy ngayon na talagang alam mo yun na parang pag nakikita mo siya parang finally parang tapos na yung pressure sa kanya and ayun sobrang happy siya na sobrang taas ng achievement niya and we are very proud of you. Talagang you gave your best and you outshine them. Tapos yun, sobrang proud kami sa'yo. Congratulations.
Okay, thank you so much, ladies. Thank you.